Wait, do you understand English but can't speak? You know some words, but when it's time to talk, you feel stuck. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Welcome to Fun English Friends. In this video, you'll practice real-life English conversation, improve your listening and speaking, and learn useful vocabulary and phrases you can use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice the phrases out loud. Ready? Let's start.
Excuse me, Tom?
Yes, Emma?
Can I borrow your phone for a minute?
Sure. What happened?
My phone battery is dead.
Oh, I see. No problem.
Thank you. I just need to make a quick call.
That's okay. Go ahead.
Hello? This is Emma. My phone is off. I'll call you later.
Is everything okay?
Yes, thank you. I'm done now.
That was fast.
Here's your phone. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Sorry for the trouble.
No problem at all.
Hi, Tom. What are you doing here?
Hi, Emma. I'm studying English.
Oh, me too. I come here every week.
That's great. The library is very quiet.
Yes, it helps me focus.
What are you studying today?
I'm learning new vocabulary.
Nice. I'm practicing reading.
Do you use English books?
Yes, I read simple storybooks.
That's a good idea.
Thank you. Do you watch videos too?
Yes, I watch English videos every day.
That's helpful. Do you practice speaking?
A little. It's still difficult.
Don't worry. Let's practice together.
Really? That sounds great.
We can speak English for 10 minutes every day.
Okay, let's start now. Hi, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emma. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, too.
Hey, Tom. You look worried.
Hi, Emma. Yeah, a little.
What's wrong?
I don't have enough money this week.
Oh, no. What happened?
I had to pay some bills.
I understand. That can be hard.
Yes, and I still need to buy food.
Do you have a plan?
I think I will save more next month.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I spend too much sometimes.
Maybe you can make a budget.
A budget? What's that?
It's a plan for your money.
Oh, I see. That sounds helpful.
You can also cook at home to save money.
Good idea. Eating out is expensive.
Don't worry. Things will get better.
Thank you, Emma. That helps a lot.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Emma.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
That's nice. Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I eat bread and drink coffee.
I usually eat eggs and rice.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work. And you?
I study English at home.
That's great.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or relax.
I like to read books at night.
That sounds relaxing.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every morning.
That's healthy.
Thank you. What about you?
I do yoga sometimes.
Nice. That's good for your body.
Hi, Tom. Can you help me for a moment?
Sure, Emma. What do you need?
Can you open this bottle for me?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Also, could you lend me a pen?
Yes, no problem.
Thanks. I forgot mine at home.
It happens.
Sorry to ask again, but can you explain this word?
Sure, I can help you.
I really appreciate it.
Anytime, Emma.
Hi, Tom. I feel very tired these days.
Oh, no. Maybe you should get more rest.
Yeah, I don't sleep well.
You should go to bed earlier.
That's true. Any other advice?
You can try drinking warm tea before bed.
That sounds relaxing.
Also, you shouldn't use your phone too much at night.
Oh, I always use my phone before sleep.
That might be the problem.
I see. I'll try your advice.
Great. I hope you feel better soon.
Now you will learn some new vocabulary and useful phrases for daily life. These words are very common and useful. You can use them when you speak English every day. Let's get started.
Borrow, meaning take something for a short time. Example, can I borrow your phone? Go ahead, meaning permission to do something. Example, can I sit here? Yes, go ahead. Focus, meaning pay attention. Example, I need to focus on my homework. Bills, meaning money you must pay, electricity, rent, etc. Example, I have to pay my bills this week. Save money, meaning keep money, not spend it. Example, I want to save money for a new phone. Budget, meaning a plan for your money. Example, I make a budget every month. Exercise, meaning physical activity for health. Example, I exercise every morning. Lend, meaning give something to someone for a short time. Example, can you lend me a pen? Appreciate, meaning feel thankful. Example, I really appreciate your help. Advice, meaning helpful ideas or suggestions. Example, he gave me good advice.
Nice work. Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. Question number 1. What does Tom practice? Question number 2. What advice did Emma give Tom about his money problems? Question number 3. What does Emma do after breakfast?
What is your answer? Let me know in the comments below.
Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye.